the interface is what is going to connect all these things. And once you learn the interface, now you can operate a lot of these things. So what can then happen is the other thing that I've seen at the show, which I think it goes directly to this idea of convergence, is that a lot of companies are making things like blood pressure monitors or clock radios in your home, other things, audio systems, even TV systems, where you can take your iPad or your Evo, an Android system,
right.
an Android phone, plug them into a station, right? And all of a sudden, they just work, okay? Imagine having the same, and remember, you have the interface that you already know. You're taking your interface with you.
Right.
It's customized for you. Now imagine having that same kind of plug on a washing machine, or on a toaster, or on an oven, or on the alarm pad of your house. So you walk up, you take your, you plug that in,
like
and
your
now you
smartphone
use it.
or your
smartphone,
or
right.
whatever it is. Yeah.
You now know the interface, so you're carrying your interface with you, right?
Yeah.
Now to take it even a step further, which is something else that I've been seeing that I see coming, I don't think it's quite here yet, is the advent of more powerful batteries, longer life batteries, more bandwidth, and voice recognition is now becoming better and better and better.
Yes.
So what I think is going to happen, which will be incredible for everybody, but especially for seniors,
right.
is when you can do it all from your Bluetooth and talk.
You mean like turn on your TV that way, ask for a video, ring your aunt on the phone, ask
turn on
to
your
connect
washing
everything.
machine, right? Everything. Turn on your alarm, turn off your lights, anything you want to do. But now the interface becomes your own brain and your voice. And I think that's where it's going. And this idea of convergence is just so exciting. And another thing that you can do with it, I know I didn't see it myself, but I've heard several of you talking about this, which is where you can sort of swipe one thing on a phone, and the TV now does the same swipe or moves. Or
yeah, they go like this, and it suddenly is up on the TV.
It's like the God particle.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, where you twist one thing in. Okay, so imagine if this happens from a distance. So
Right.
I'm a child caregiver of a senior,
Yes.
right? Or I have a child at home that is watching TV, but they can't figure out how to turn it on or whatever. They should be watching it by themselves. But let's say that my mom or my father is having a hard time turning the TV on. I can now see what their TV looks like by cloning it on my device 30 miles away, and I can do it for them, just like that. It makes the whole idea of remote control and being able to sort of tap into a loved one's brain to be able to help you if you're having a hard time.
I think we're just one step away.
We're
just one step away.
So close to all these things.
I had a guy fixing my computer remotely, so I know this is.
It's all
I know
possible.
this is coming.
And it's so exciting. And when I walk around the CES show, I was just blown away by how close we are to all this stuff. And how our demographic who we're writing for, me, seniors, boomers, right? It's there, it's easy. I just hope it doesn't get too easy so we don't, we stop using our brains, but it's wonderful.
Well, thank you so much, Eli, for sharing all that. And also you have a vision, and I know from your mouth to the manufacturers, they're already working on this as fast as possible.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is very exciting. Convergence.
This
show is all about convergence.
It is so exciting. Everybody's here and we're all so immersed in it. And it's a wonderful world.
2011 starting off with a crack.
Yeah, so thank you for...
Thanks, Eli.